What is talk about so? What happened to CBS All Access into Paramount Plus, and after later on, now to Epic Play, I'm in Play, into I'm in Max. So let's go. What's up, Priyanteya? My name is Kid Breaks Experience, and today I talk about rant on streaming, medicine, all products, and about exciting for cities, products, and streaming brands excited for to do. Becomes this is every Soraya because I get excited for this name tag. Is excited. What has happened before? What becomes after Paranit and Paranix plus Mount and Mountain equals plus equals Paramount plus. Let's check this commercial on Paranit looks like. So let's go.
Piolhos! Alerta! Piolhos!
Novo Paranix Extra Forte. Aplique em cabelo seco, espere apenas 5 minutos para eliminar 100% dos piolhos e proteja de reinfestações até 72 horas. Paranix. Os heróis na luta contra piolhos e lêndias número 1 em Portugal.
Starting back out quick crash, what happened? Girl scratched on blonde hair on a Paramount Plus commercial. No, it's not Paramount Plus. It's Paranit Light Killing Shampoo. We don't give a straight about Paramount Plus, not Paranix, Paranit. You don't give a straying out if you're ranting on Paramount Plus. No Paranit, no Paranix, only Paramount Yevim Sraya Plus. So I guess the European suckers are fond of you. We're not welcome to play a Yemen soccer athlete. We don't give a story about soccer athlete, but European soccer, UEFA, Euro 2021, not Copa America. Son, yet you're not welcome to the science situation. We're not to try believe it to its go. If I've seen the Paramount Plus commercials, not Paranix, not Paranit. We're done with Paranix, Paranit. We're now to Paramount Plus. When even I'm in Max is now to formerly from I'm in Play and Aspect Play. We're now to I'm in Max and Paramount Plus, like HBO Max, excited for a long way. We don't give an understand about Paramount Plus. It gets exciting for this day, genuinely for this Sunday, so I don't give a sign for this chance. So that's for today, guys. Thanks for watching. But Paramount Plus for renting on streaming, we don't give a sign. We get production need. Don't forget to subscribe, like, favorite, and that's it. Goodbye. And you're not done with that. We got 2 signs for ya. Sign it.